Wow, what a car this is, right? Meet the star of our desktop wallpapers, a legend whose V12 roar shakes the ground, the Lamborghini Aventador. It's not technology, it is pure Italian drama. But what are the hidden costs behind this drama? Today, we're talking not just about the Aventador's speed, but the facts that truly make it a beast. The Aventador houses a 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12. Its performance is not science, it's emotion. 770 horsepower and that unique roar. But here's the TheCarTruthh reality. That famous ISR single-clutch transmission. While it shifts quickly, every jolt it delivers in the city or at low speeds constantly reminds you that you are part of the beast. No autopilot, no soft driving. The Aventador sells you raw power, not comfort. The exterior design is inspired by an F-22 fighter jet, aggressive and angular. Its doors open upwards and everyone stares. But what is the interior ergonomic truth? Visibility is horrendous. Reversing can turn into a nightmare. Plus, there are some interior buttons and parts dating back to Lamborghini's pre-Audi era. Seeing familiar Audi buttons inside a $1 million car, that is the aesthetic trickery of the Aventador. The cost of owning an Aventador is eye-watering. Service and maintenance expenses are astronomical. An oil change costs thousands, and a new set of tires is tens of thousands, especially the brakes. Replacing the carbon ceramic brakes costs nearly the price of a small car. And starting that V12 beast in the cold. That smoke and sound remind you that you're driving almost a race machine, not just a car. This is not a vehicle. It is a financial commitment. The Lamborghini Aventador is the pinnacle of selfish extravagance. It completely rejects practicality, comfort, and even logic. It only promises you a pure experience. Even though production has ended, its value and maintenance in the used market will always keep it an icon. Do you think the Aventador was the purest Lamborghini ever made? Or the last dinosaur that ignored technology? Let's discuss in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later.